So here's another one of our 2018 GMC Yukon Denalis. This one is the short one. It's not the XL model. Now this one here actually has a salvage title due to damage to this corner right here. Now you can see the before photos in the auction. Basically it was headlight, fender, and bumper cover there. Looking on the inside, of course this is all the inner fender that was all replaced. There was nothing else in here that was replaced whatsoever. Just the fender. There was no cooling damage or grill damage or anything like that. Of course, the bumper cover was replaced because it was damaged over on that side. But it's still the original grill, original headlight over here. Everything's original going down this side of the truck. And then just to look here at this rim, I do see one little scuff right here on the rim. Of course, that's fairly typical to get scuffs on rims regardless. Hood shut's great. See, the gaps are fine. Rear DVD, moonroof, second row captains. This here is just the front bumper license plate bracket. Not all states require it, but we do have the front license plate bracket if your state does require it. See how much tread is left on the tires? You can see quite a bit there. I would say that's, I don't know, probably 70 or 80% tire tread left. Of course, we got power third row seats. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm hitting the wrong buttons here. Power third row seats. Of course, second row folds down as well. However, like with all the Yukons, they do not power back up in the second row seating. The second row, you do have to manually flip them back up there. A look underneath the vehicle. See our engine up there. There's absolutely no leakage. No leaks on the tranny, no leaks on the transfer case there. No leaks going all the way down the truck. Oh, and then the roof. This one's actually got the cross braces on it. Very few of them actually have that. Now this one here, of course, power windows, locks, mirrors, all the good stuff. Our trailer brake, traction control, lane departure, heads-up display, four-wheel drive, heated steering wheel, of course, heated and cooled seats, both fronts. Second row is heated seats as well. Push button start. And yes, I do have an owner's manual for this one. And I do have an original window sticker as well. So, show you our window sticker. $77,500 basically. Here's all of our options. There's our roof rack cross rails, $265. So that is a dealer option. Honestly, we've probably had about 100 of these Yukons. This is the first one I've seen that has the roof rack option there. Absolutely no airbags deployed. Very light damage to this truck. Oops, I'm sorry, I shut it off. I usually do a restart for you guys. Go ahead and open the door so it powers everything down. And I'll start it. Again here, keeping my hand up here. The other one's holding my camera just so you can see. It looks like we got to change the engine oil soon. Now, it's flickering here on the dash. I promise it's not flickering in real life if I hold my camera still. My camera just always picks up digital displays, sometimes the radio like that, but more so instrument clusters. I don't know why that is, but it is what it is. So I promise it's not flickering in real life. And then just to... Oh, I got 6% life left on the oil. 34,683 miles. And we'll take it out for a little drive. Okay, this is a nice stretch of road. I usually like to do this. We're going nice straight down the road. I'll let go of the steering wheel. You can see my knee's not touching it whatsoever. Oops. Got a little gust of wind there, but yeah, I'm not touching it. Of course, my other hand's touching our steering wheel. Still not touching it. Steering wheel straight. We're going straight down the road. There's no pulls, no shimmies, no shakes. And just like all of our Yukons, they all run and drive just like brand new. They all require nothing. No issues whatsoever. Give her a little gas, just so it's about full throttle there, or just about anyway. Lock the cruise doing 63, and coming back the other direction here. See, I'm let go of the steering wheel. Steering wheel still straight, still not touching anything. Still not touching anything. We're still going straight down the road there. So that's going to conclude our test drive for the day. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot us an email. And we'll do what we can to respond ASAP. Thank you very much and have a good day.